might need plan B. So at least that way is clear. Although we could wade through there and launch off that jetty. See what the boys think when they arrive. It's the pre-Christmas paddle. The plan today, have a poodle up the ooze and make some people smile.
Smile!
Let's see if we can do that. If we can't do it on the ooze, I've got a plan B.
Plan B.
Plan B!
A few hours later...
It's now closer to midday than it was a lot earlier. And we're heading through town towards Museum Gardens. We've dined, we've had beers, and we're now mooching. Oh yeah, Aquaglide Cirrus with a tree on. You know it's me when there's a tree. Seal launch almost there. Marion's going in. Right, let's do it. There's strong flow on the ooze today. By the way, hello inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. So in case you haven't gathered, pre-Christmas paddle, have we done all this? I can't remember, I've had too many beers. Too many beers already. Pre-Christmas paddle. And I kind of wanted to go through the city with a tree on the back. There it is. So we're off. Now there is quite a hefty flow at the moment because we've just had so much rain. And the river levels are pretty high. So we're not actually going to paddle far. The plan is just to create a bit of a tension underneath the bridges, really. That's the plan. And it's already started. Look, we've got people taking photographs of us daft buggers with lights on. The machine's dressed up like a tree. Nice touch. Santa hats were a minimum requirement for this trip. And yeah, we're doing it. We're doing it, what can I say? There's only us daft buggers. Ho ho ho!
Whose idea was this?
Well, the idiot with the tree. The idiot with the tree. Oh, I hope he don't get caught underneath the bridge.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas.
We're not going to have to paddle hard. We're not actually planning on going far, but we're not going to have to paddle hard just because so much flow. Bloody flow, she gets in the way of everything. And obviously there we've got Black Santa, bar humbug.
Commonly known as Jim.
Commonly known as Jim. What can I say? It's kind of fun, and we're making people smile. And that was what today was all about, was to come out, have a bit of daft fun, make people smile. I don't know whether you saw the video from 2 or 3 years ago now. It was where me and Raph went out on Selby Canal, and I stuck a tree on the back of the boat then. And we had some, it was a laugh, we got a lot of attention in a good way. And so I thought, do you know what, city centre, it's got to be done through a city centre. York, we'll have to do Lincoln another year, probably next year. Lincoln next year? Yeah, Lincoln next year. So we're just having a nice little drift. So we're just in the eddy of these big boats here, which means you can paddle upriver. You don't normally get this close to the Guildhall because it's, well, the river's up. So Jim's having an explore through the city prison. Yeah, can't normally get here. What can you see, Jim? Yeah. I don't know whether the camera will pick it up. Can you see the rope going across? I won't get across there with the skeg. Don't normally get quite so close to these. Normally just see them as the mooching past. Now you might recall earlier in the year we had a mooch along this area in pack rafts. I was in the drop stitch pack raft. We were out with Steve and, you know, Nun's chuff, and she who shall not be named. Now I know there's a load of bars on here, and I can't recall, I can't see any of them underwater, so I think I can get a bit closer without getting skeg snagged. But normally you can't get this close. You can see that tunnel there, can't you, just behind that ladder. I'm just going to pull out here into the flow. You're sorry?
I was thinking that one, but hey, Bert!
Ah, right.
Hey, Bert! Santa Claus! Hey, Buddy!
You alright?
You on YouTube?
Hey, nice one! Watch daft people doing daft things.
Oh, you did it nail it.
Right, now we did come and have a look at that tunnel before. Look at that. You could actually, you could see the ground on that last time we came. You can't now. Underneath another bridge. I want to paddle on the footpath. On that side. I want to paddle on the footpath. On that side. Let's go paddle on the footpath. Oh yeah, I want to start paddling next to the cycle racks, to the bike racks. Oh, this is weird. So we're now paddling over the wall. Yeah. York in flood. December 2025. I'm just going to park my kayak. Parked. Oh, that's mad. Right, let's pull up on the King's Arms side. Don't normally get to do that. Normally, you're 10 foot below this wall, thereabouts. You can see those orange handrails. That's for a ladder that goes down to the water in general. Yeah, that's mad. So I had a look down here this morning. I think I put that on video. It's quite a strong flow here. I kind of want to paddle up a street. Yeah, at what point will it shallow out? Gotta say, this is an easy get out.
I know.
Oh, I'm grounded. I've hit rock.
I've been up the wrong side of the road.
Yeah, that's the only snag, isn't it?
Well, you can't park though.
Yeah. I've hit rocks. Anyway, we can't stay here. It says on that sign, no parking. 8 until 6 p.m. Are there any cars in there, Ra? Maybe there's a Subaru. Subaru, hey! These are things that you never normally get to do on the Ouse. You don't get to paddle between the crane stanchions here at Woods Mill Quay. Yeah, this is a bit of a first. Nice! Nice! I like it. I'm loving this. All you can hear is the gang laughing. It's actually really mad that you can paddle around these city cruise jetties. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Can you see it? Bar humbug. Superb. This is kind of weird, paddling into the park. Yeah, that's a bit mad, isn't it? So the river's on the right. Look at that, how crazy is that? Hello!
The boys are over there, look.
People cycling. This is crazy. Madman with a Christmas tree. Don't think we're going to have any problem getting out. There's Nigel coming through one of the arches. He does like to make an echo. We've landed, we're at George's Field car park, and we're going to kind of jump out here. This was just a short video for a bit of, you know, daft fun. You know what to do if you like what I'm doing on this channel in terms of liking, subscribing and all that jazz. Right, you take care of yourself. Hopefully I'm going to get this done before Christmas. Have a great Christmas. See you in the new year. There will be a wrap-up video for what's happened in the year, and there's still the Shipley video to come, which happened about last weekend. So yeah, that's going to be out of sync. Hey. See you later. No, that's wrong, isn't it? Cheerio.